Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a search box to the menu of your WordPress website. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress site and add a search feature quickly and efficiently. We will begin by opening your WordPress website. Start by launching your web browser and entering the WordPress website address. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option. Clicking on the login area is your initial step into the administration panel of your website. After triggering the login function, you will be presented with different options to sign in. Choose the option that allows you to continue with a Google account. This method streamlines the process by connecting directly with your Google credentials, ensuring a smooth sign-in experience. When you select Continue with Google, a prompt will appear that asks you to choose your Google account. Simply click on the appropriate account that you wish to use to access your website's backend. Once you are logged in, the next stage involves navigating to the site editor. Within the quick links section of the WordPress dashboard, locate the link for editing your site. This link is generally found on the right side of the screen, making it easily accessible. Click on the Edit Site option to open the site editor interface. Upon entering the site editor, your website will be displayed in a mode that allows easy customization and editing of site components. With the site editor open, you will now need to focus on modifying the header or menu area of your site. First, look for your website listed within the editor and click on it to ensure that you are working on the correct site layout. The interface provides a clear view of your website's current configuration, and this step confirms that any changes you make will appear on the correct site layout. Now that your website is open in the editor, locate the plus icon that typically sits at the top left corner of the screen. This icon provides access to additional blocks and elements that you can add to your page. Click on the plus icon to reveal the available elements. Among these options is a search block that you will soon be adding. In the search bar that appears, type the word search so that the editor can quickly filter the elements. As you type, the search box element should emerge in the results. Once you see the search block appear in the available options, click on it to add the block to your website. With the search box now added, you have the flexibility to adjust its positioning according to your design preference. Click and drag the search bar to move it to the desired location in your website's menu or header area. Take your time to place the search box perfectly so that it fits seamlessly into your site's layout. By following these clear instructions, you have successfully added a dynamic search feature to your WordPress website. This feature will offer your visitors a convenient way to navigate your content, enhancing the overall user experience. Enjoy the streamlined navigation and improved functionality on your newly enhanced website.